Behold, the beloved Sinaloan tomato, one of Sinaloa's biggest exports. Every day, thousands of pounds of tomatoes just like these are sent down the conveyor belt into packaging to be shipped off all over Mexico and the US. But look closer. This belt is rigged with highly sensitive lasers trained to search for only the ripest, most perfect tomatoes. Only those will make it to your table. Think of the technology that went into these. And not just tomatoes.
I don't think I knew that blueberries grew in Sinaloa.
All produce here in Sinaloa is big business. Sinaloa is known as Mexico's breadbasket. Here in northern Mexico, conditions are just about as perfect as it gets for farming throughout the year. These farms produce about 40% of Mexico's fruits and vegetables and send even more to the US. This Sinaloan farm life is pure inspiration in my kitchen.
So this is gonna be really good.
First, my take on a Mexican classic, birria, to make hearty tacos to chase with that birria broth. To honor Sinaloa's produce bounty, a fresh and surprising salad with mango, tomatillo, basil, and jalapeno.
And it is to die for.
Then, the perfect complement to that birria, one of Mexico's favorite desserts, a creamy flan covered in caramel.
And that makes me very happy, and it should make you very happy.